Okay, I'm going to be doing the elimination method, and what I'm going to be doing is eliminate one of these to solve for a single variable. So I'm going to eliminate x to solve for y first. So we have positive 6x and positive 3x. And to eliminate these, we're going to multiply by negative 2, but we have to multiply everything by negative 2. So it's going to be negative 6x plus 14y equals negative 20, and that is under over. Okay. Now to solve for this, how do we find that? Now to solve for this, we're gonna add these up. Becomes 0, so we're not going to put anything to that. Positive 14 plus negative 8 is 6. So,
Equals 8.
okay. That equals 8?
Oh,
Negative 12.
Yeah. Just edit that out for me. Shit. Okay. Yeah. And then we're going to divide by 6 to solve for y. So y equals negative 2. Okay, now we're going to solve for x since we already have our y value. So we're going to put what we got for y into y for that equation. So this becomes 3x
Positive 14.
plus 14 equals 10. Subtract 14 from both sides. 4. That is the elimination method. So what we have is our two values that we can put on our coordinate plane with y equals 2, x equals negative 4/3.
Alrighty, everyone. I'm going to teach you how to solve the system equation using matrices. Every variable has a coefficient, which is going to go in the bracket labeled with an A. And you have 2 and a 5. And you have a 1 and a 3. And then you're going to put your two variables, x and y, in the bracket labeled x, and y. And then you have your answers over here, which are going to be represented in the bracket labeled b. You have 5, and you have 3. You have 3. You have 3. Okay. And now you just slap this in the calculator, and you will get your solution. Okay. How you get to the matrix equation? You hit second, then matrix. You're going to go to edit, enter, and change your table to 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, depending on how many coefficients you have in bracket A. You're going down here, and you have a 2, enter, 5, enter. You have a 1, and you have a 3. Then you're going to hit second matrix. Again, go down to B, edit, change this depending on how many variables you have, or coefficients rather, you have two. You have a -5 and a 3. Then you're going to hit second matrix. Then you're going to go second matrix.
To find your solutions. Yeah.
To find your solutions, you're going to go second matrix, select A, inverse, then second matrix again, and select B. And then you're going to hit enter. And there's your ordered pair, X and Y. -30, 11.
Today I'll be solving systems of equations using substitution. Our first equation is 2x plus 5y equals -5. Our second equation is x equals 3y, x plus 3y equals 3. What we're going to be doing to this system of equations is subtracting 3x from both sides, so it's x equals -3y plus 3. Now I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to put this equation into our first equation, which is 2x plus 5y equals -5. Now I'm going to put this into here, so it's 2 in parentheses -3y plus 3 plus 5y equals -5. I'm going to begin solving for this equation by multiplying everything in the parentheses by 2. So it's -6y plus 6 plus 5y equals -5. I combined -6y with 5y, and it equals -1y plus 6 equals -5. I start with inverse operations to solve for y. So I subtract -6 from both sides. So it's -1y equals -11. So I divide by -1 both sides, and it's y equals 11. And that is our y coordinate. Now I go to our second equation once again, and I put -3 times 11 plus 3, which equals -30.